Hi guys, I'm new to YouTube and my name is Thomas Castillo. This is my first vlog and wait, hold on, the light is not good. Okay, there we go. No, the light is bad. Okay, there. Okay, so I'm Thomas Castillo and my cousin is with me and come on team.
Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Hurricane Irma and where we went and where we stayed at and what we did.
So we went to Atlanta, we're in Florida, and we went all the way to Georgia. It took us, Georgia, Atlanta, it took us 22 hours. That's almost a day. And we have this.
We went to the Georgia Aquarium and we got this. It's his. It's a toy dolphin. It's a plush.
Okay, so that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe, and that's it. Bye, guys.
Bye.